Hi students, welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. My name is Mbithe. In today's class, we're going to learn about adverbs. We are going to define adverbs, name the 4 types of adverbs. We are also going to have a focus on adverbs of manner. We are going to define adverbs of manner, give examples, and construct sentences with adverbs of manner. And we are also going to do the same for adverbs of time. We are going to define them, give a few examples, and attempt to construct sentences using the adverbs of manner and adverbs of time. And I hope by the end of the class, you'll be able to distinguish between the two types of adverbs. Before we continue, it is important to define what an adverb is, and an adverb is a word that tells us more about a noun. It gives us more information about a noun, and adverbs answer 3 questions: how, where, and when. How, where, and when. So let us have a look at a few examples of adverbs. So the first example, they met here. When you ask yourself, where did they meet? The answer is they met here. So here is an adverb because it answers the question where. I intend to go to the library immediately. When do you intend to go to the library? The answer is immediately. So immediately is an adverb. I go to school daily. When do you go to school, or how often do you go to school? Daily. And lastly, she waited for us patiently. She waited for us patiently. How did she wait for us? Patiently. So patiently is also an adverb. So in the introduction, I said that there are different types of adverbs. There's adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, and adverbs of frequency, which are also known as adverbs of degree. So we are going to start with adverbs of manner. So what is an adverb of manner? An adverb of manner is an adverb that shows the way in which an action was done. In other words, an adverb of manner is an adverb that answers the question how. How was something done? So we are going to have a look at a few examples. If I ask you, how is Maina walking? And then you respond by saying, Maina is walking quickly. You have answered that question, and quickly has answered the question how. So quickly is an adverb of manner. How did he laugh? He laughed loudly. Loudly is an adverb of manner. And lastly, how does she drive? She drives slowly. Slowly is an adverb of manner. So there are a few more examples of adverbs of manner, like well, softly, greedily, sadly, painfully. You can try and attempt to construct sentences with these adverbs, and for easier understanding, you can start by asking a question like, how was he eating the food? He was eating greedily. How does she talk? She talks softly. So when you start with that question, how, it is easier for you to answer it. It is easier for you to answer it with the appropriate adverb of manner. And that's it for adverbs of manner. We are now going to proceed to adverbs of time. And an adverb of time is an adverb that tells us when something was done. It tells us when something was done. So in other words, it answers the question when. So a few examples include today, tonight, now, tomorrow. So we can have a look at a few examples. And for example, when will you call your friend? When will you call your friend? I will call my friend today. Today is an adverb of time. When do you intend to go to the library? I am going to the library now. Now is an adverb of time. When will you talk to him? I will talk to him immediately. Immediately is an adverb of time. So for easier understanding, if you want to know if an adverb is an adverb of manner or it is an adverb of time, you can start by asking the question how or the question when. And the adverb that answers that question, then you know it is either an adverb of manner or an adverb of time. So we can attempt to construct some sentences with the adverbs provided. The first one is soon. When do you intend to go home? I intend to go home soon. So first of all, we have identified that the word soon is an adverb of time. Secondly, shortly. Shortly is also an adverb of time. If maybe I ask, when will I see you? And you respond by saying, you will see me shortly, or I will be there shortly, I will leave the house shortly. Shortly is an adverb of time. The third one is briskly. Briskly is an adverb of manner. So you can say, Stella was walking briskly. The rat was running briskly. So briskly is an adverb of manner. And lastly, yesterday. Yesterday is an adverb of time. For example, when did you finish the assignment? I finished the assignment yesterday. So yesterday is an adverb of time. So for you to understand when it comes to adverbs, if you see an adverb and you're not sure if it is an adverb of manner, if it is an adverb of time, ask the questions how or when and see the question that this particular adverb answers. And so that's it for this session. I hope you have understood and you're now able to define an adverb, distinguish between an adverb of manner and an adverb of time, and you're also able to construct sentences with both adverbs of manner and adverbs of time. For further practice, you can have a look at the quiz. Choose the suitable adverb from the list below to complete the following sentences. So you will have to read through those adverbs. You can even, before going to the questions, you can write down a list and separate them, which ones are the adverbs of manner, which ones are the adverbs of time, and then now go to the quiz and attempt to answer it and see if you're able to get through the quiz. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next session.